Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Visa gift card on Target online. So first you need to search for the app Target and you need to create your account on the Target. Once you done that, it is an e-commerce app and here you can see that I already add a product here that I want to buy. So let me show you. Here it is. Then you simply need to go on to the checkout page. Once the product is added, so here it is, and then you need to, once you add it, you simply need to go and you simply need to select the delivery options. So I'm going to select standard delivery, and then you need to click on confirm. Okay, once you done that, here is the payment option, and here you can see the option of gift card. You simply need to select that and wait for a few seconds here, and here you need to add your card number, card pin, and then here you can, if you want, you can use card for payment, and then you add, if you want to use card for payment, add your card details here and click on pay now, and after that you payment will be made with the help of this card. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.